everybody, Drew Campbell here, CEO and co-founder of the Global Performance Nutrition Institute, aka the GPNi, with the ISSN International Certifications. I'm very pumped to be here today with the NSPO, the Nipon Sports Promotion Organization, NSPO, in Tokyo, Japan, together with Mr. Totsune-San, who is the CEO running this amazing organization. Also, Dr. Seiji, our partner for the GPNi in Tokyo, Japan. Now, the NSPO is an amazing organization that is working with the elite level trainers who train trainers, the master level trainers in Japan, 2,700 members, and Dr. Seiji, together with the NSPO in Japan, will be doing a series of seminars, exclusive talks about nutrition. Would you like to tell the audience in English perhaps what they're going to be doing and the cooperation?
Yes, we're going to be running seminars, and also to the attendance of the seminars, we'll be offering discounts for taking the ISSN SNS course.
Thank you. Maybe a few words?
Of course. Thank you very much. Yeah, we are very excited to work together with ISSN. Yeah, we can do something for Japanese trainers. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And we say in Japan, we say sayonara.
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 Thank you. We look forward to meeting, working together very great, and together with our partner,
Yes.
Dr. Seiji.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.